Hi everyone, this tutorial is about the Famous Photographer Research and Inspiration assignment for Photography A. The first thing you're going to need to do is go into the assignment and open the Google Slides. And you're going to go up to File and make a copy. This is going to become your own personal assignment. The way the Famous Photographer works, you are going to research a handful of photographers for this assignment. There isn't a due date. Usually the due date is the second to the last week of the trimester. You're going to research a bunch of different artists and then decide which attribute their photograph demonstrates. An example is Alfred E. His picture, I chose this one. It's titled VJ Day, taken in 1945, and I decided that the attribute was timing. So an example might be Alfred Stieglitz. If I copy his name and search him, most of the time it works best to search websites instead of just images, because then you're going to be able to find the title and the date much faster. And it might take a little digging here and there. Alright, here he is, and here is a bunch of his work. So maybe I really like The Sun Rays. That's the title. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm going to copy the image, and I'm going to go back to my copy, and I'm going to paste that picture. Now that picture was titled, what was it titled? Oh. Sun Rays, taken in 1889. So I'll come in here. 1889, and the attribute I think they use is light. So that is what you're going to do for all the artists that do not have a star by their name. The difference with a few of them is they have a star, and Adam Hester is an example. He has a star by his name, so you're going to find two pictures taken by that artist and identify the attribute, but you do not need to have the date or the title. So Ali Jagoda is an example of one of those. And Ali Jagoda has quite a few different examples and different pictures. Maybe we'll do big kids. Find one that you like. I like this one. And with Ali Jagoda, it's kind of interesting because her website is locked. So you're actually going to look on your keyboard and you're going to find the print screen. It's right above delete and insert on your right hand side. Hit print screen, and then you are going to go down to your search and type in paint. And you're going to use the paint program. You can paste. That's my print screen. I'm going to crop it so I just get the picture that I want. There we go. And crop. And then I'm going to save this. I'll just save it on my desktop. Ali. And then when I go back into my Google slide, here we go, Ali Jagoda, I can then click Insert Image from the computer, and I can just click on Desktop, and there's that picture. So there's one of the two for Ali Jagoda. What attribute do I think this one shows? Light? No. Timing? No. Composition? No. Clear subject. And you're going to continue on until you get all the way down. The last 3 slides, they are choice photographers. So if you have an aunt that does photography, you could do some of their work. If you really like sports photography, you could do a sports photographer. Maybe you're into skateboarding, you could do some skateboard photography. But that is it. So this is the Famous Photographer assignment. It'll be due the week before the end of the trimester. And thanks a lot for watching.